Hi front-end techies, welcome to UX Docs. We are going to see about JavaScript tutorials. We are going to see about the remove duplicate functions in JavaScript. To remove the duplicates, we can use the set method. The set method will remove the duplicates. For example, we have an array which contains many duplicates, and we are creating a unique array which will have the array of triple dot new set of array which will remove all the duplicates. When you console log the statements, you can find the original array contains all the duplicate elements, and when you click for the unique array elements, you can find only the non-duplicate numbers, only the original numbers are present here. So how it is working means set method will completely remove all the duplicates contains in an array and make it a unique array. We can also use filter method for removing the duplicates of the array. So array filter functions are used to filter each element separately and then check the index with the original array element and removes it. For example, we have an array. So now we are going to use the O and I. O represents the object and I represents the index. In the new unique array, we are going to filter the array.filter. Inside that we have O comma I, which is object comma index. So each of the object from the array will be separately taken, and that is compared with the array index of O object with the original I element, so which will eradicate all the duplicates and store only the unique elements to the unique array. For each method with includes, so we can have a new array. As usual, we have a duplicate array and we are going to create a new array. So I have created a unique array with the empty array set, and I am going to use a for each method here, and in array.for each, and item represent each object in the array. So each object is taken and it will be checked for the unique array has contains this particular item. So if that is not found, then we can push this unique array dot push of item into the unique array, otherwise it will not be pushed. So each time the first array first element 1 will come here, and there it will not present in the unique array, so it will be pushed. Second element second will come 2 will come here, and it is not present in the unique array, so it will be pushed. Third element 3 will come here, and it is not present in unique array, so it will be pushed. When the fourth element 3 is coming here, it is already present in the unique array, so it will not be pushed. Like that it will work. Can also use reduce and includes both as same type like for each. So the array reduce in JavaScript is a predefined method used to reduce an array to a single value by passing a callback function on each element of the array. So it accepts a function executed on all the items of the specified array in the left to right sequence. The returned single value is stored in the accumulator. So we have an array here which contains duplicates, and the unique array has the array.reduce function. Inside the reduce function, we are going to use the accumulator and current value. The accumulator is a current object from the array, and the current will represent the current element of the array. So it will be it will checking the accumulator, that is already stored element and the current element are equivalent. So if it is equivalent, it will not push. If it is not equivalent, it will push the current object to the accumulator. So and the accumulator will be returned back to the unique array. So that is how it works. Thanks for watching our video. Please subscribe, like, share and comment to UI UX Talks Front End Techies.